Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a hole in some drywall or wallboard. I have this from an old telephone communication line that was knocked out, and I'm going to patch up that hole. First thing you want to do is square it off to make it nice and even. Use something like this, a wallboard saw. That's accomplished. Then I need to get the dimensions of the hole, which I already did. I ran a crayon over the hole on a piece of paper, and I just did a rubbing. That's what I've got. You don't want to cut the paper to the size of the hole. You want to cut it a couple inches oversized on each dimension, because the drywall is actually going to be oversized. Or what I'm trying to say is the drywall is going to fit in the slot, but the paper from the drywall will remain, so I can adhere it to the wall. There's several ways to do this. You could run a piece of wood behind there and then drive in some drywall screws to support the wood, and then you could use a couple of drywall screws to hold the patch in, and then just mud that over with some spackle. Well, the drywall is going to have two sides. There's a backer, which is dark, and the face side, which is light. You're going to want to cut on the dark side. And we don't want to cut all the way through. We're just going to score it. Do a test fit. It's too tight. I need to take it back to the table and shave it back some more. Got a nice tight fit. Got some joint compound. Gonna put it in the patch. Make sure you clean it off really good, get all that dust off of there. Okay, let's put that patch in place. Gotta use your taping knife here. Probably gonna have to come by later and do a couple of more coats to fill in the edges around the patch, but that's how I learned how to do it. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO. And when you're all done finishing the plaster, don't forget to paint it.